Hey, welcome. This is a Floss 210, a Foss 210. It's an older frame that's been superseded, but I picked it up for a song with the intention of turning it into a long flight time, lightweight, freest craft. Got a single sheet of A4, 210 wheelbase, motor to motor, 4mm arms. Yeah, thereabouts. Well, all over the place on this one. A little bit off on one of the arms, but nothing to worry about. Dirt cheap. TPU camera mount, M3 nuts and bolts, nylon hardware and aluminium standoffs or pillars, and more M3 hardware. Quite straightforward. 2 holes each arm, a 20 by 20 or a 30.5 by a 30.5 mounting, front and rear. Looks like an SMA antenna mount. Well, let's stick it together and see how it looks. Okay, quite happy with how it's gone together. It feels quite robust. I'm sure it's going to take any punishment that will come its way. It's not going to be a crazy flyer. Yeah, it's a Floss. It feels very light. 61 grams. That's not too bad to start off with. Put the surrogate plate in there. Haven't put the antenna mount on it. The TPU mounts might change. But all in all, I'm quite happy for the price. So happy, in fact, I got 2. Cheaper in the long run to get all the spare arms and so forth. But look out for the second video. It's going to be a Enduro Pootle, I think. Anyway, that's for another video. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Happy to answer. Catch you later.
You Billy. Hey.